is for apple, red and round. B is for bird that flaps around. C is for cat who purrs with glee. D is for dog who plays by a tree. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who hops all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hat that's on my head, so sweet. I is for ice cream, pink and cold. J is for jump, so brave and bold. K is for kite that soars up high. L is for lion who roars at the sky. M is for monkey swinging with cheer. N is for nest with baby birds near. O is for octopus deep in the sea. P is for penguin sliding past me. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow that comes after town. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for turtle, slow but right.